This lesson is about the second rule, I sub I. This rule is about when not to use a comma. The notation sub is short for subordinator. There are a number of these subordinators. You will just have to get to know them. The list that follows is incomplete but sufficient for normal use. As, if, because, though, although, while, where, when, unless, since, before, after, until, as if, so that, whereas. Caution number 1, the words in the third row can also act as prepositions, since, before, after, and until. How do you know? Simply see what follows the word in question. Is it a complete sentence or not? After the big game? It's not. After is a preposition. After the game was over? It is. After is a subordinator. The subordinators in the fourth row, as if, so that, whereas, are composed of two words that function as a single unit, a subordinator. Caution number 2. As sometimes connects fragments. He ran straight as an arrow. It's not a subordinator there. He ran to the barn as his dad rode in on the tractor. It is a subordinator there. No matter, no punctuation either one. The latter example is an I sub I situation. Note that in both cases a comma is not needed. Remember, it is just as important to know when not to use a comma as it is to know when to use one. I sub I is when not to use a comma. Next time we'll see another use of the subordinator, but in a different way.